Managing leads is one of the biggest challenges for any business owner, but with GoHighLevel, it becomes a lot simpler than most people expect. If you are new to this platform or just starting out with lead management, this video will break it down in a way that's easy to follow and actually usable for your business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow faster. If that sounds useful, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to check the description for free trial and the special deals. So let's get started with the basics. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform and lead management is right at the heart of it. Think of it like a digital assistant that keeps track of every person who shows interest in your business. The platform stores their contact information, tracks their action and lets you to automate workflow, and all without you having to do it manually. When a new lead comes in, whether from a funnel or from your own website or even a Facebook ad, GoHighLevel automatically captures their information and places them in your CRM. From there, you can tag them, segment them into groups and even assign them to a team member. If you are running a bigger operation, this way no lead ever fails through the cracks and you always know exactly where someone is in your sales process. One of the best part is that the workflow and the automation. For example, if someone signs up for your newsletter, you can automatically send an welcome message or email. You can send the follow-up with an SMS reminder and even move them into a special nurturing sequence, all without touching a button. This is a game changer for beginners because it saves time and ensures consistency, which is often what's missing when you are starting out. Another nice feature is the pipeline view. It's like a visual map of all your leads, showing you where they are in your funnel. You can see who is hot and who needs to more nurture and who is ready to convert. For beginners, this visual approach makes it really easy to understand what's happening and what to take action. And of course, there is a lot more you can do as you get more comfortable, like automating appointment, reminder, sending custom offer or creating the multi-step campaign. But even at the beginner level, GoHighLevel gives you everything you need to organize your leads and follow up effectively. So in short, GoHighLevel makes lead management simple, automated and visual. It helps you to stay on top of your potential customer, nurture them properly and ultimately convert more leads into paying client. If you would like to try GoHighLevel for 30 days free trial, then check the link in the description or the pinned comment for free trial. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.